International Model United Nations is an opportunity for students to research another perspective, to walk in someone else's shoes and learn more about international relations and multilateral diplomacy. So students are assigned to represent a country, perhaps Brazil or the United Kingdom, and learn what that country thinks about climate change, about the Millennium Development Goals, about how to solve some of the world's problems. And then they come to present their ideas, not their personal ideas, but as diplomats to try and represent the ideas of a member country. Sometimes they may not agree with themselves, but that too is part of diplomacy. We're very lucky that our background for doing all of this is the United Nations itself. So inspired by the people that do real work in these facilities, there's the opportunity for students to see themselves as future leaders.
The concept of Model United Nations is, I think, understanding international politics by doing it. Students prepare to represent interests of a country they might not know well beforehand. They try to get into the role of diplomats, try to understand why they act in the way that they act at the United Nations, and they interact with each other in committees, and by interacting, by discussing how to address various problems of international politics, they learn about these topics, they learn about how international diplomacy is done.
After a conference like that, to be able to come here makes it real, you know, really, like it gives you a little more illustration on the whole conference.
It is about the spirit of the United Nations, the spirit of cooperation, and this is the place where every single member state has one vote. So no matter if you are a large country, if you are a small country, if you are rich or poor, whatever you stand for, this room reflects the diversity of the United Nations and is exactly the place where this diversity unites.
There's an amazing number of international delegations from Europe, from Latin America.
We have delegations coming from over 30 countries.
More than 5,000 delegates from every single continent, in fact.
Many of them are second language speakers. A preparation process that usually lasts from half a year to 10 months is a very challenging process, but it's a process which helps you grow not only as a student of international politics, but as a person, as a member of a team.
I think the international affairs knowledge is super important, and I think there's no real place to get it in such an experiential fashion as Model United Nations, but also the development of professional skills, researching, writing, public speaking, negotiation in small groups, and leadership.
And this is what makes NMUN and serving on the volunteer staff of NMUN so special.